Lion and Mouse story. Once upon a time, there lived a lion in a forest. One day the lion was sleeping when suddenly a mouse came there and got into the lion's hair and started playing. Suddenly the lion's eyes opened and he caught the mouse. The mouse got scared and started begging the lion to leave me. I want to die in the future. The lion took pity on him. He released the mouse. As the mouse went, he said to the lion, I will surely repay his favor. The lion laughed. One day, some hunts came to the forest and caught the lion by setting a net. Suddenly, the same mouse also came there. He cut the net with his teeth. Thus the lion was freed. The lion thanked the mouse. The mouse said, No problem. One day you helped me and today I helped you. What is the reason for this? Moral of the story: kindness is rewarded with kindness.